DM Precision was established in 1960. We're a third-generation family-run business. We're a full CNC machine shop specializing in telecommunications, satellite, science research, and medical industries. We've cut a variety of materials from aluminum to stainless, titanium, Invar, specialty plastics. We've been working with Matsuura since 1985. When my grandfather bought one of our first CNC milling Matsuura machines from them, an absolutely great company to work with in partnership. We've recently invested in 3 MX-330s. Automation makes us more versatile to switch from one job to the next. It allows us to maximize every minute of the day, running 24/7, and still keeping high quality, stable processes to machine parts.
With DM Precision and Chad, his team here, they've actually put in place everything that you have to do, all those little pieces to maximize the equipment they had. So adding this new element of the Matsuura with 10 pallets, to run lights out, it's all about looking at all the little facets and paying attention to them all. So they needed a machine that could actually handle all spectrums of material, but the key was accuracy. Being able to palletize, to have an unmanned, but to hold the tolerances that he has to hold with a lights out operation. We did the kinematics specific to each pallet. So now with Chad and his team, when they program specific to the kinematic, to the pallet. It allowed his team to keep it simple so that there's no unexpected errors. When you let the machine go, and you walk away, you shut the lights off, you know it's gonna run, no issues.
There is a lot of service providers out there, but for us, the partnership that we have with Matsuura is extremely important. The MX-330 changed the way we manufacture parts. It really fulfilled our vision of what DM Precision wanted to do.